Hey there, we're Nigel and Sue and we're travelling Australia in our self-converted camper van. We're passionate about the outdoors and believe adventure has no age limit. Today we're hiking the Cascades in Litchfield National Park, where we hope we can swim under a waterfall. We've arrived at the Cascades. The first part of this trail is nice and flat, and this is always a good sign to see. Very low crocodile risk.
Very low chance of crocodiles, so I'll fight them off.
So this is where the trail does get a little bit more difficult. It's rockier, there's exposed roots, and we're starting to climb. It's a bit of a climb. So as we come down the hill now, we're starting to see the Cascades.
How beautiful is this place? And then we arrived here.
Leaving the waterfall, we continued down the Cascades to complete an amazing hike and our favourite in Litchfield National Park. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.